Sketch improvements. In ZW3D 2024, we group the pattern and offset constraints in the sketch. And the offset constraint has been optimized so that the constraint remains after deleting bow ties, making it easy to modify. For this cabinet, we need to make heat dissipation holes for the top of the model. First, create a sketch, draw a square at that location, and do the array. You can see that the icon of array constraint grouping is much simpler. Then move the mouse cursor to the source array icon to highlight all arrays so you can view all arrays conveniently. Next, we delete some array objects, and you can see that the constraints are still retained. Finally, you can change the number of rows and columns at any time by double-clicking the source array icon. After finishing the drawing of the sketch, extrude and cut, and the drawing of heat dissipation holes is completed. Of course, the effect of offset constraint grouping is the same. So compared to ZW3D 2023, pattern and offset constraint grouping is much cleaner and easier to edit. Let's move on to see how the offset function is optimized. First, draw a rectangle in the sketch and round the corners, then use the offset command. When the distance is large, the bow ties will be generated. Check Delete Bow Ties from Offset. Click OK to get the offset outline with the constraints, and you can adjust the offset distance in real time by modifying the parameters.